Your laptop won't turn on. Don't panic. Before you call tech support or toss it out the window, let me show you the top 5 easy fixes for a laptop that won't turn on. These are beginner-friendly, quick, and just might save your day and your wallet. Step 1. Check the power supply. First things first, power. Is your charger working? Plug it into another device if possible. Sometimes it's not your laptop, it's the adapter. And hey, check the wall socket too. You'd be surprised how often that's the real culprit. Step 2. Remove external devices. Unplug everything: USB drives, external hard disks, printers, even that wireless mouse dongle. A faulty device can block the laptop from booting. Go bare minimum, charger plus laptop only. Step 3. Hard reset, power drain.
Now do a hard reset. Remove the battery if it's detachable, unplug the charger, then hold down the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. This drains leftover electricity, basically a mini reset that often wakes up a dead laptop. Step 4. Reseat the RAM. If your laptop has easy access panels, try reseating the RAM. Sometimes it's just a loose stick preventing startup.
Pop it out, clean the contacts gently, and reinsert it. If you're not comfortable opening it, skip this step or get help. Step 5. External monitor test. Finally, connect to an external monitor. If the screen is black but the laptop powers on, it could be a display issue, not the whole machine. Better to know before you panic buy a new laptop. There you go. The top 5 easy fixes for a laptop that won't turn on. If one of these worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if it didn't, well, at least you tried the easy fixes first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to save someone else from laptop stress.